Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to clean data using Claude AI in Excel step by step. If you work with messy spreadsheets, duplicate entries, or inconsistent data, this tutorial will help you save time and improve accuracy using AI, now available on the Claude AI dashboard. If we want to use Claude AI with Microsoft Excel, it is simple. But first, we need to have a premium plan on Claude and a verified and activated Microsoft Excel. Once we have these, the first thing we do is open Claude in Excel. Currently, we cannot show this directly because we do not have a premium plan on Claude and do not have an activated Microsoft Excel. However, we will walk through an example. Once we are in Microsoft Excel, Claude will appear in our add-ins. If it does not, we just need to add it through our add-ins and search for Claude, so it appears in the upper left of the Home tab. Once there, we just need to log into our Claude account so we can start cleaning and organizing our Excel file. After logging in, it will look like this, and we will have all the options available. If we want to clean our Excel, for example, if our usernames are messy, all we have to do is type a prompt here. We type, arrange the usernames in alphabetical order. After we enter this, Claude AI will arrange our usernames accordingly. We can also fix the date column by changing the date format. We do this by typing the desired date format here. Once we are done, all we have to do is save our Excel file, which is now clean and organized thanks to Claude AI. Our data is now cleaner and easier to read with the help of Claude in Excel.